Guys, and welcome back to Book of Entertainment. So, Moses Sevilla was testifying at court, and he was a witness, for the defense, and he's being asked questions by Advocate Baloyi, and Moses Sevilla was explaining, after being asked by Baloyi, but then Baloyi was not happy, and he was like, Moses Sevilla, we simply asked a question, and you're explaining all this. So Moses Sevilla quickly put Baloyi in his place, and reminded him, that when Gininda was being asked questions, he would give these lengthy explanations. But now, simply because it's me, you now want me to be like yes or no without explaining. So he quickly put Baloyi in his place. So Baloyi no longer has an option here because he did allow Gininda to give these lengthy explanations, and it's now coming back to bite him. Because previously it was the defense that was actually complaining about these lengthy explanations from Gininda. So what goes around comes around, and it's now Baloyi's turn, to be getting these lengthy explanations and feel what the defense was feeling before. I'll catch you guys on the next one.